What's on your cheek, honey? We can try it. I know, you have salami on your cheek. See pictures of the cheek? But I'm taking pictures right now. I'm filming. Can you make a salami quesadilla for me like you did before?
Ooh, I want a salami quesadilla.
You folding it?
Can you make a salami quesadilla for mommy? Can you make one for me? You make a salami quesadilla for me?
Open cheek. No. Make it cheek. Hold it. Open. No. Put down.
Oh, okay, Theo. Okay, I know you got salami on your cheek.
So fold it.
Oh, you gave it to your brother. Thank you.
Hey, you just say no thank you, baby. Don't throw it back.
No, cheek.
All right.
No.
We need to eat our food. Do you want some more cheese?
See my mice in the window?
What?
See my mice in the window?
I see picture cheek.
Oh, I see.
Picture cheek.
Picture a cheek. Okay. Can you eat a bite of chicken for me, and I'll show you a picture.
Cheek.
Thank you. Did they already have their happy babies? Okay.
No.
Okay.